Hello dear aspirant. So I hope everybody is fine. So in this session we are going to talk about Telangana Drug Inspector examination, how we are going to tackle, how we are going to easily crack this examination. So what is going to be the syllabus, what is going to be the examination scheme, we are going to discuss each and every piece of information. You are watching me on the platform of Innovators Adda and my name is Sanjay Chauhan. So now looking forward for the each and every piece of information. So in this session we are mainly talking about the syllabus and exam scheme that is associated with Telangana Drug Inspector examination. Already vacancy has been released, 18 posts has been released for the same vacancy. So if I talk about the examination scheme, for that there will be two paper. One will be paper 1, just a minute. One will be paper 1 and second will be paper 2. So they are going to take the examination in two paper. One paper name is General Studies and General Abilities. What they are going to ask? They are going to ask the general studies associated with India as well as Telangana. They are going to ask the current events about India, world and Telangana itself. They are also going to ask some English questions. They are also going to ask some data interpretation questions. They are going to ask some logical reasoning also. So here they have mentioned general abilities. So how much questions they are going to ask? They are going to ask 150 question and duration is 150, means 2.5 hour. Okay. So maximum marks is 150. So paper 1 with the name of General Studies and General Abilities. How much going to be the questions? 150 questions will be there. What is going to be the time duration? 150. Maximum mark is 150. Second paper is concerned subject with the degree level. Degree bole to means it is B Pharm up to the graduation level. So how much questions they are going to ask? They are going to ask 150 question. Here duration is same but marks is double. So total mark is 450 marks. There is not going to be any viva work they have not asked. They have asked about the examination only. They have not mentioned any interview regarding that in this advertisement. They have just mentioned about the examination scheme. So they are going to take this examination in the two paper. Paper 1 is General Studies and General Abilities. Paper 2 is Pharmacy subject related. So 450 total marks will be there and number of questions will be 150, 300 questions will be there. So what they have mentioned, one thing I would like to clear, that whatever the paper 1 is there, they are going to take in bilingual mode. Means they are also going to take in English as well as Telugu mode. Whatever the paper you are going to get for GS1 or paper 1, it is going to be in bilingual mode. It will be in the English also, it will be in the Telugu also. So that for you people it is going to be easy. Okay, so for Telangana Drug Inspector examination, Telangana GS is there, Telangana GK is there. So definitely you are going to understand in a native language, Telugu language, that is going to be more easy and convenient for you people. Second paper, that is for B Pharma or degree level, that is English only. So second paper will be totally in English. First paper will be in English and Telugu as well. Now coming on the more discussion of syllabus. So what exactly they are going to ask? If I go through the paper 1 in a very micro analysis, in a detailed analysis, this video is going to be somewhat lengthy, but trust me, it is going to be very helpful for you people. So they are going to ask about the current affair, regional for Telangana also, for national, for international. Focus more on national and international, but you cannot skip the news associated with regional news. Suppose your state government has launched any scheme, any personalities have been visited, any sportsman from your state has done excellent. So these type of questions they are going to ask. International relation and events. Right now Russia-Ukraine war is going, a lot of things are going, lot of turbulence is there in the world. Kuril Islands are there in the news, many things are there. So you need to take care of each and every piece of information. General science, India's achievement in science and technology. In science and technology, they are going to ask about various institutions like ISRO, our pride, the pride of India. DRDO, contribution of that, each and every piece of information. Science and technology, what is going to be the recent technology. They could ask different questions. They could ask CRISPR technology that is associated with gene technology. So lot of things are going to discuss. Disaster management they are going to ask. Economics and social development of India and Telangana, both. Physical, social and economic geography of India only. Geography and demography of Telangana. Okay, demography means population. They are going to ask the census questions also. So please be aware. They are going to ask the census questions. Socio-economic and political cultural history of modern India with special emphasis on Indian national movement. Very important. Maximum question they can ask from Indian national movement. Socio-economic, political, cultural history of Telangana with special Telangana statehood movement. You can have look about that. Indian constitution, Indian political system, how government is going to act, how government is constituted, political system, how government is going to act, execute, what is going to be the public policy. Social exclusion, gender, caste, tribe, disability and everything they are going to discuss. Inclusive policy, inclusive development, they are going to ask about that inclusive development. Society, culture and heritage of Telangana, policies of Telangana. Apart from that, yeah, they are going to ask about the logical reasoning and everything. In my knowledge, if I suggest you, you should not join any coaching for this logical reasoning and analytical ability, because you are living in the era of YouTube. YouTube has a lot of choices for this segment specifically. Lot of reasoning videos are there, lot of English videos are there. Definitely you can cover this whole from that itself, from YouTube itself. So I would suggest do not go for any coaching, because if you are going for any coaching for this segment only, you are limiting yourself and you are having lot of chances on YouTube. So you can learn better. So it would be my suggestion. I'm not forcing on you. It is wholesale your decision. Second thing is paper 2, concern subject with the degree level. So importance of pharmacopoeias with special reference to Indian pharmacopoeia. So text basically they are going to ask. Sources of drugs, synthetic and biological, preparation of infusion decoctions. So cognosy are there. They have not mentioned each and every subject. They have given the specific subject, a segment of that. Prescription handling, everything is very important. You can expect a lot of questions from prescription. For pharmacist examination it is very important, but for drug inspector examination also very important. Posology, dose calculation, different formulas there. Young's formula is there, Fried formula is there. They are going to ask the formula. Alcohol dilutions are there, spirit calculations are there, proof spirit, isotonic displacement only, everything is there. Brief outline of communicable diseases. So first aid ke bare mein they are going to ask. Classification of microbes, microbiology also they are going to ask. Everything they are going to ask. Then they are going to ask about the sterilization process. Then they are going to ask about the hospital acquired nosocomial infection, biomedical waste management, ophthalmic formulation, collection, processing and storage of blood products, these things, surgical products, physical incompatibilities. It means from different subjects they have just taken a specific segment, important things relevant to drug inspector examination. Anatomy and physiology they are also going to ask these things, because these nowadays these things are very common. Myocardial infarction, hypotension, angina pectoris, these are very common disorders we are facing right now. Human anatomy and physiology of digestive systems, peptic ulcer, antacid. In each and every home there is antacid. Function of different parts of brain and spinal cord, this is associated with central nervous system. Drug acting on cardiovascular system, dialysis and everything. Drug acting on CNS they are going to ask. Ecology, pharmacology is very important. Backbone, antigens, antibody, historical development of antibiotics they are going to ask. Tetracycline, carbohydrate metabolism. From biochemistry they are going to ask these things. Introduction and principle of antimicrobial therapy, antiprotozoal, ecology is there, chemotherapy. Salient features of DNC. Without Drugs and Cosmetic Act, how it is possible to be a drug inspector examination? How it could be possible for a drug inspector? So you need to, apart from the testing or checking, your more responsibilities also associated with the legality terms. Suppose anyone is just breaking the rules, so how you are going to handle, what clause you are going to apply, which act you are going to apply, you are going to take action as per which act, you need to worry about this act. So more important is Drugs and Cosmetic Act, rules in 1945. 90 act is 1940 and rules is 1945, but you need to be aware a serious aspirant is that which also capture the recent trend. In recently in DNC Act, rules have been separated. So you need to observe that change. Power of DIs. You want to be a drug inspector. You need to know your powers. In Drugs and Cosmetic Act, in NK Gen book, it is totally mentioned. Everything is mentioned. Statutory bodies, NDPS Act, Aryan Khan case was there, Sushant Singh case was there in the news. So definitely they are going to ask some questions from there. GMP and CGMP also there. Regulatory aspect and consent to medical devices, because medical devices also deal by the drug inspector. So these things are going to be there. See, for paper 1, what I would suggest, because if I was going through the previous year paper availability on the website, they have not mentioned any single paper about drug inspector examination. So how we are going to get idea? A smart aspirant, what they are going to do, see, whatever the examination they are going to take this general studies and general awareness paper by the Telangana State Public Service Commission. They have asked this portion in different examination also. So what you can get? You can get an idea from the different examination. What type of questions they are going to ask? What is their level? In current affairs, what they are going to ask? It's a very big segment. From any section, anywhere they can ask. So you need to have an idea. To get a better idea, it's a smart strategy to get an idea. Today is the era of idea. If you are having any idea that is convertible, definitely it is having the value. So you need to check different examination, this section for drug inspector examination, because they have not given any drug inspector examination question paper or anything they have made available on the website. So for this section, you need to check the same section they have taken examination for different engineering section also or any other section also. So you will have a clear cut idea. In current affairs, what they can ask. In general science, what they are asked. You need to go for trend analysis. If you are preparing any examination, you need to observe the trend analysis. You need to go for the trend analysis. If without trend analysis or without seeing previous year paper, you are starting your preparation, I am 110% confident you are not going to be selected. This is the main strategy you need to discuss. Trend analysis is very important, because lot of things are there. How much you are going to take information inside your body? So your knowledge should be very strong, and that should be limited. That should not be unlimited. You can learn unlimited things, but there goes things, they are asking some limited things. You need to be selected, not to be a PhD aspirant or PhD candidate. After all, you want your selection. So go for trend analysis, go for previous year paper. There is a pattern for approaching any examination. Very soon I am going to make a video on this, how you can easily crack Telangana Drug Inspector examination within 2 months or 3 months of preparation, very smartly. And that is, I am 110% sure that video will be a game changing for your preparation. After your selection, you are going to talk with me that yes sir, your video is very helpful, your video was revolutionary. So after that, I'm going to 100% I'm going to make a video how you can easily crack the Telangana Drug Inspector examination video. I know the patience level of this generation is going to be very low, because they are totally on reels. So I'm not going to take much more time on this. Already I have given the more information and complete information on this. But I would like to inform you people, if you want to prepare best for that, definitely we have launched to tackle the challenges, because main challenge from South India people they are facing with the medium. No doubt best coaching are inside the India, but they are in English or English. So this batch is going to be totally English medium with the name of Satvahana batch. Satvahana dynasty was there. Telangana Drug Inspector examination, how you need to go through that? You need to install Pharma Pathfinders application. Please make sure that you install the original application having the capsule icon. With the price of 2199, you are going to get each and every piece of information. You are going to get live classes with the PDF format notes, artificial intelligence test series. Your course accessible will be on Android, iOS and laptop, everything. Excellent doubt mechanism system is there. Syllabus is going to be completed by end of the April, because your examination is tentative month is May or June. live course with unlimited views, offline download option is there, no class timing issue for working professional. If you are working professional, you can manage this course as per your schedule. There is no need to worry. It's a complete package. If you are going to take test series separately, it is going to cost you more. Maybe you are not going to get the quality content, but trust me, in this course you are going to get each and every piece of information with the high quality. With the high quality, I am saying this word with a more responsibility, at affordable pricing of 2199. So thank you so much for your valuable time. I hope this video is going to be very helpful for you. आप सभी अपना ध्यान रखिए. Have a good day.